boys. It's kind of crazy. So we can go over that one actually too if you guys want. Let me see if I can pull this up here. So okay, so we are live on YouTube now, and we're going to be going through the list of the stocks that we're going to be talking about for right now. So what the best stocks are to invest in today depends if you want to go long-term or short-term, but we have a lot of good short-term stock names. I'm going to pull up a list of, if you guys have ever heard of finviz.com, it's a completely free website you guys are able to use to look up different types of stocks that are trending, that are doing really well, doing really bad, different sectors, and it goes through. So my top picks right now are DCTH, finished up 81% of the day, VFS finished up 68%, NVOS finished up 60%. A lot of these names are just really popular names that are trending right now that have over a couple 100 million in volume throughout the day. Let me see here. What's going on to you guys over at YouTube? Let me see if I can pull it up here. I am live on YouTube, so if you guys want to go check that out. But yeah, so let me pull this all around here. I got a bunch of things open right now. But yeah, drop some comments down below. Do you guys have any questions for me? Anything at all? You can let me know in the comments below. But the big one that we're going to be talking about is the SPGC. I'm sorry, my bad. Just went public via IPO today. It started off at $4.20 and ran all the way up to $32. I just made a video on it. This stock is absolutely insane, up over 600%, and halted many times today. There were many different notifications that went off throughout the day from basically, or it looks like around 12:30 onward. It halted multiple times. I wasn't able to trade it this afternoon. I got the notification this morning, but SPGC was the big one that I really want you guys to watch for tomorrow. I think there's a lot of potential for this one to really take off, especially how we finished up at $32 in the day, and continue to hold above this $20 area is very, very important for good support. So I like the odds that this stock is a good one. But yeah, what are you guys talking about down here in the comments? Anything good? Drop some comments down below. What are some names that you guys are looking at or maybe interested? And hey, thanks guys for the gifts. I appreciate it. Thank you. All right, what are we looking at here? All right, so yeah, so the stock opened this morning at $4.20, jumped all the way to $32. So this is definitely a top one, pretty easy going. The next one on the list, if I pull it up over here, oh, I exited out of it by accident, but Finviz, hello, I'm gonna give you a bunch of likes. Hey, I appreciate that, man. Thank you. So the next one on our list is DCTH. I just made a video on that one as well. This is the one that in pre-market we had it jump from $2.50 to $7.50 and then pulled back a little bit. Have you ever played the game where you could sell anabolic steroids? No, I have not. DCTH is the one that jumps from 250 to around 750 and then stabilized throughout the morning and then continued to run up to almost that 745 area again before pulling back down and finish around $5 in the day. But this one, I mean, if you pull back, this one hasn't done anything up until just what happened today, and it's up 81%, and I think that this is a good strong volume. I mean, we're talking, even if we go in the 5-day 5-minute chart, we're talking 2.5 million in volume per 5 minutes. Okay, absolutely insane. So I definitely think that'll be a good one to watch tomorrow is DCTH. But welcome. Hey, what's going on, guys? What's a good long-term stock to invest in? Thanks for joining the YouTube video. Yeah, good long-term stock to invest in right now. Okay, so I got a couple ones. I always tell people NVIDIA, ticker symbol NVDA. It's a very, very expensive stock right now, but I think it's a good long-term one. Apple is always a solid buy, and honestly, right now, looking at it at 177, it's pulled back from its highs around 198. Still, I want to get closer to this red line. When it gets closer to this red line, for me, that'll be better support area for me personally, at least, and I'll look into potentially buying in for more shares. But if you don't mind me asking, what's like your what's your like goal? Depends. I mean, long-term investing and short-term investing, but short-term trading is just making small profits here and there to be able to put that money that I make into my long-term portfolio, basically. But yeah, so some good long-term names are Apple, Nvidia. Right now, Tesla's pulled back too. I know a lot of people are really skeptical on Tesla to have in their long-term portfolio, but honestly, I like Tesla, and I like it around this 230 area. I think it's a good price for where it's going to be. AMD, it depends what type of stock you really want to get into, but there's a lot of good long-term names. Johnson & Johnson's a good one if you want to get to some banks. You can do Bank of America. JP Morgan is actually my favorite bank stock to get into, and this one, actually, if we take a look at it, it looks like a really nice one because look at this red line, which is our 180-day SMA line. Every time it's touched this SMA line, which is once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, it's bounced, and it's bounced higher. So honestly, I like the odds that this does move higher off this 150 area. I believe that, you know what, if we can hold this 150 area, I think that we can move higher on JP Morgan, ticker symbol JPM. What's your Discord? My Discord, it should be the link in my bio. I believe it still works. I just started putting everything back up in my bio, so just check the YouTube channel and then click the link in the description of the YouTube video, and you can get to the Discord on there. But with JP Morgan, guys, I definitely think that this is a good buy right now. I may actually do a video on this one. That's a good shout out to my guy over on YouTube. If you guys want to check out the YouTube channel, link is in the bio. Go click over. I just made a new video on a stock that's up over 600% right now, guys. Absolutely insane. Dan, what's going on, man? How you doing, man? It is good to see you. I'm glad you joined the live. But yeah, definitely, guys, go click the link in my bio. Check out my YouTube channel. I just did a video on this stock that is up over 600% right now. It's absolutely insane. But kind of bringing it back to reality, JP Morgan is a good long-term investment. I definitely think that's a good one. What's some of the airlines doing right now? I think all the airlines are pulling back a little bit. Yeah, American Airlines, United Airlines. I don't even know. What was the other one? United, American, and then there's one other one. Oh, Allegiant, ALGT. Allegiant Airlines, yeah. Back under $100. That's crazy. I remember picking up this thing. Allegiant Airlines, didn't they do a split or no? No. Okay, so they haven't done split. Wow. So they're back under 100. This thing, Allegiant Airlines, was my best buy during COVID. You have a Twitter, Discord? Yeah, we have a Discord. I'll click the link in my bio. It'll bring me over to my YouTube channel, and from there, just click on a YouTube video. And in my bio, there's a link with the Discord and everything. But I got to start using the Discord again. It's been very dead, so there's not much action going on in there. Just gamble. Yeah, that's normally what I do most of the time anyway, to be honest with you. What is like your goal on TikTok? Just to kind of have fun with it, you know. I'm really going for YouTube, so check out the YouTube channel. Link is in my bio. Give me a subscribe. Give me a like. Give me something, a good follow over there. I would love it. Hello, what's the stream? It's stocks, talking about stock investing, stock trading, all that good stuff. But like I said, Allegiant Airlines was one of my bigger ones where I got in around, I think it was like $78 during COVID, and this thing ran all the way up to $271. Discord, yeah, click the link in my bio. It'll take you to my YouTube channel. If you want to subscribe to me over there, that's where I'm most common. But I'm also starting up the Discord again, and if you click the link in my bio, it'll take you to a YouTube video, and then in the YouTube video like description, there's a link to join the Discord. But yeah, so Allegiant ran up to 271, but then pulled back. So I took some profits along the way. This was a good one for sure. What was another good name that I was thinking of? You guys can honestly drop some comments down below. What stocks are you guys watching right now? Just so I can kind of go over them and check them out a little bit. We still got viewers on YouTube, so what's going on, guys? But if you guys have, like I said, any questions, I'd love to answer them. Both here on TikTok and YouTube. I mean, I am full game. I don't know how long I'm going to actually live for. My views have been all over the place. We jumped up to like over 150 viewers at one point, and then now we're back down to only a few. So we'll see how long it'll last in here. Oh, AMD. Yeah, AMD. We were talking about Nvidia earlier too, but AMD is honestly my second favorite to get into this sector, and I believe that AMD right now can pull back a little bit more. Sitting around $110. Looks like we have resistance at 130, so there is room to run before resistance. But honestly, if this thing pulls back closer to $100, I'm buying more in. It's still a little hot right now, but long term you're fine. Long term of this thing you're fine. But I definitely think getting into AMD at a better price than 111. I mean, it's not bad right now, don't get me wrong, but if you're already in a position with it and you want to try and average down, I'd wait a little bit. I'd definitely wait for it to get closer to like $100. But yeah, so it's kind of what I'm looking at right now. Okay, this is a good stream test. I just ended the TikTok. I'm probably gonna add the YouTube channel one too. I just want to see what's going on. Just want to see how this all works. But let me see here. Yeah, I'll definitely have to do some more streams more often. I don't know if this is gonna be posted on YouTube or how it's gonna show. But I hope that it all came out clean. Hopefully everything looks good on here. If you guys are new, definitely hit that subscribe button. Give this video a like. Just to kind of show some support, and I'll do these more often. But I appreciate you guys coming around, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.